welcome back guys to another video. Today we've got the Golf R back, don't worry. It's on an angle because we are parked in a dip here, but we've got some lovely countryside to be driving around today, and it's perfect for our point of view drive. I'm going to run some B-roll and then jump straight into it because it's a point of view drive. You don't want to hear me rabbiting on, but before we do any of that, please do make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and then you'll get notified every time I upload a video. Today's going to be a point of view drive, obviously, like I already said, and then hopefully we're trying to break it up again, get a feature car in between. But I hope you like it guys, and let's jump into it. Due a change, I think. Something a bit quieter. Here we go. Oh, even then, that's with good tyres on. I've already taken the car for a drive this morning, and even with Michelin PS4s on, coming out of the junction then, roads are a bit greasy. We did have that tweaking a little bit. You can feel it sliding, but it's four-wheel drive, which pulls itself back in nice and tight. You don't have to worry about losing control and yeah, ruining the car. Ooh. Yeah, hopefully this opens up here, we can overtake. Drop it a gear. And there we go. Car's an absolute madness, guys. That's what I will miss, I think, if like, even though I'm nowhere near doing it yet, when it comes to changing the car, I will miss it. If you follow me on Instagram, you would have realised the other night I met my friend. He's just picked up a new to him Golf R. It's an 18 plate, same year as this. It's all black with black tours. It looks really nice, and I went out in that and it feels so weird being stock, but he's on about it getting tuned. So when he goes to get it tuned, I think we're going to hitch a little lift with him and we'll video it and everything, like I said in the last video, I've ordered a draggy now, so within a couple of days that'll be here. So anyone who features on the channel now, if they want to, we'll do like 0 to 60 times and stuff like that, and see if yeah, basically see what they think their car will do 0 to 60, and see what time the draggy throws out. Because a lot of people are saying, oh, the draggy's not reliable, but I've got friends who have been Santa Pod and they've run their draggy and it comes up exactly the same times as what the Santa Pod one says. So look, we've got a little bridge here, so I'll shut up talking and we'll just listen to the car now. And the bangs on the overrun, and I didn't want it all the time, I just wanted the few bangs like that done. Speed so quick, I love it. Can't beat the bloody car, can you? It's mad. We'll get some drive-bys, I think. Show you and let you hear what the car sounds like from outside, with a couple of drive-bys. Get the GoPro on the back. Let's go. So that was the point of view drive. It was quite exciting actually. I threw on my North Face gloves to make it feel a little bit more involved. Maybe I should invest in some proper racing gloves, shall I, for the next one. But I mean, yeah, it was good fun filming it. And literally just after I turned all the cameras off, the police did pull me over, and it was nothing other than to talk about my illegal number plate, which I think is going to have to come off because I keep getting pestered and it's not worth it. But I mean, I hope you like the video, guys, and like I'm doing, taking suggestions. So anything you think we want a video or what you want to see featured next on the channel, do drop in the comments below and we'll try and make it happen. But yeah, that was my point of view drive in the trusty steed. Please do leave a thumbs up and subscribe. But we'll see you on the next one, guys. Thank you.